Hello friends, welcome again in my channel. So today I want to discuss about what is comparative measurement. Comparative measurement. So comparative, as the name says, it is about to measurement and compare. So what is comparative measurement in drawing or sketching? How artists use it. So here I am taking a reference. I am drawing a glass here and a bowl here. So why comparative measurement? Because to get right proportion, when your proportion is right, then your drawing or sketching is right. By the way, in sketching, if we are not doing sketching to study the proportion, then we don't give so much attention. In sketching, it, it can be some mistakes, but in drawing, if you are drawing your family member or yourself or anything, if you do slightly mistakes, then especially in portrait, then it will look like another person. And if you draw a glass, then if do slightly mistakes, then it will look almost like a glass. That's why many people say that we can't draw humans or portraits. We do mistakes. But actual thing is that in proportion, the mistakes, it is visible clearly. So, how to do the comparative measurement here? So, thinking this is as reference. So, this is a glass and this is a bowl. So now you have to think this. You have to imagine that here is a vertical line. I am drawing this here, but when you do this, please don't draw it on the paper. You have to imagine it. So this is vertical line. If we imagine a vertical line, how much the gap here and how much the gap here. If we imagine a vertical line, then how much the gap here. And from this vertical line, how much the length is here. So, like this. we can imagine a horizontal line here. So if we draw an horizontal line here, then how much the length here and how much the length here. And another measurement is, I'm sketching this again. So at first I am doing the glass. So now I have done the glass. Now I have to watch on the reference here. If we here extend the line, does it touch here this ball's bottom? No. And here in horizontal line, to check the gap, what is the length, the distance here? I think almost here. Here's the gap again. So look, like here, if I extend the line, this ball is not accurately on this line. It's the same gap. And in comparative measurement, the angles also matter. Look the angles. The reference and the sketching on drawing is accurate. You can look here. The gap here is bigger. So, looking at the gap. Is the line same? In drawing, we have to clean our lines. We have to make clean lines. So, if you this formula, the comparative measurement, then you can easily find the mistakes in your sketchings or drawings. So that's for today. In next day, I will discuss more about this comparative measurement and how to use it while drawing. More mistakes. So thanks for watching. Please keep watching my videos to get drawing and sketching related informations, and please write your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.